So when you first start painting, you're going to paint the primary colors first. Red, leave the next one blank, yellow, next one blank, and blue, and the last one blank. Why do you think I left some of the circles blank? That's right. Now we're going to mix the colors. Remember, the primary colors, you can't make red or yellow or blue. That's why they're the first colors, the number one most important colors. To make the secondary colors, you're going to mix your two primaries together. If you forget, you're going to have this sheet that you worked on the other day, which will show you. Red plus yellow equals orange. Red and yellow mixed together make orange. So I'm leaving the space in between the red and the yellow to mix them together and make my orange. Again, you just put it in the water, gentle on the side, a little bit of red, and mix it in the yellow. And you've made orange. So then you carefully, remembering to use just the tip of your brush, paint inside your circle. Gently. Remember, never mash your brush like that. It ruins the hair on the brush. And then rinse it in the water. But now my yellow is all messed up. So all you have to do is take a paper towel and clean it off. I left this one blank because I'm going to take the yellow and the blue, mix them together and make my new color. If I forget how to do that, I look on my sheet. Blue plus yellow mixed together equals green. So this time I'm going to put a little bit of blue in my yellow. And it makes a nice green. Gently color in that circle. If it looks dry like that, just add a little bit of water back in the paint. Clean the brush. Clean the color. And now you're ready to mix your last two colors. Now they're not near each other on the color wheel, but we're going to take blue and mix it with the red. And if you forget, just look on your sheet that you did the other day. The red, mix it in with your blue. Cleaning up, you're going to leave your brush in here. Clean the paint. You're going to carefully walk it over to the drying rack and leave it on the drying rack. Here I am at my drying rack, and I'm going to carefully place it on the drying rack, making sure not to put anything else on top of it, or for me to put my painting on top of anybody else's. And then you're going to clean up. Make sure when you clean up that your smock gets returned to the back of your chair. Brush is in the water. I will come around with a wet paper towel for your hands. And I'll be picking the quietest table to be helpers. Next week, we'll use a black permanent marker to draw our birds. You can start thinking about how you want to draw your birds.